Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a unicorn. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. All right, let's start up here at the top of the page in the middle and draw the ear first with a line like this down, and then go back to the top of that line and another curved line down like this. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. And a little curved line inside the ear. Okay, let's draw the hair now. The unicorn's mane, with a big swooping curved line like this down from there. And from this point, a curved line back towards the ear like this. And another one attached to it here, back up towards the ear. All right, that's looking good. Remember, you can always pause the video. Here, now at this point, we're going to draw the other piece of hair. From this point up, curve, and stop. And that stops because there's a horn. Let's draw the horn now, with a straight line up like this. And another straight line down like this. It's kind of a cone shape or a triangle shape. Let's draw some lines in the horn. And from this point, we're going to finish the hair off from behind the horn. Up like this, and then another curved line from that point down. Okay, let's draw the front of the face now, starting with the eye. An oval here, and then a circle over here. Let's draw a smaller circle inside that circle for the highlight, and then another smaller circle. Let's do the same over here, and another smaller circle. Let's color it in black. And this one, color it in black. Those are some cute unicorn eyes. Now we're going to draw some eyelashes. Little curved lines coming out of the top of the eye like this. And let's do that on the other side too. Okay, from the left side, eye here, let's draw the front of the face. Let's draw the nose. One little line like this and another little line like that. And now the big smiley mouth. Curved line up like this, and then a curved line that goes down and around and closes it off like that. Don't forget the tongue. Now let's color it in black. Okay, let's draw the rest of the hair. A curved line down like this from the back of the ear, and then a curved line back up towards the ear. And then right here on the back of the ear, another curved line that goes down and up. And connect it and curve it down like that. And another curved line back like this. And starting over here, we're going to do 2 little curved lines down like that, and then another one that overlaps it like this. And now it's a backward S shape, like a backwards S. Up, and curve it back like that. That looks great. You're doing great. Okay, let's draw the body now. We'll start with the front of the body here, under the chin, down. Draw a curved line down like this. And then intersect it with a straight line on an angle like this. That connects to a curved line on the bottom. And then another line back up like this. That's kind of straight. Let's do the other front leg like this. A straight line down, connected to a curved line. Let's draw the belly line like this. And now the back legs curve down like this, connecting to this, and curve back around. And then up like this. Now let's draw the back of the horse here. It's a big curved line that goes up and connects to the hair. And one last leg underneath here like this. Now let's draw the hoof lines. One here, one here, and 2 in the back. That looks great. Let's draw the unicorn tail now. Starting here on the back, let's draw a big curved line that goes up and back down and then back up again. And connect a little back curved line like this. And let's do the same again starting here. Back down and curve it back up. And connect it there, and then connect it up and then back down. Back up to the back. And then another one back down and connect it to that one. I'm going to put a little heart on this unicorn here. And maybe some sparkles around it. These are kind of like diamond shapes, but with curved lines. I'm going to do a bigger one there and a smaller one here. And let's do the same over here. And now the small one. Let's put the eyebrow up here. Wow! Your drawing is looking great! Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. I'm gonna make it a purple unicorn with pink hair. And a darker purple for the horn and hoofs. And a bright pink heart. Don't forget the yellow for the sparkles. Remember to sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.